Right, today we are putting this piece of wall in here. So first step, got a batten around there, so we've got the recess, and then we bolt that to a bit of wood, cut the hole out, bolt it in, and hope and pray it all works. So let's crack on. So this is where we started, with a blank canvas of a van. It was in pretty good nick back then. And then we added a load of insulation. So we had the closed cell foam, followed by the recycled plastic bottle fluffy stuff, and that went everywhere. And then we moved on to putting the walls in. So I thought I'd just give you that little update. The wall made. Just got to work out how we fill in these gappy bits here now. I think I'm going to take the blind off and then work something out from there. But we've got a wood panel in, we've got a bit of a gap here which we're going to fill, because we've got to put a return in here as well. Beautiful wife has started to paint the ceiling. I know black's an odd choice, but all will be revealed. Yeah, good bit of progress for an hour. That's all the walls done. Fantastic. So we got this wall here, ones at the back that you've just seen. Rock and roll. So next job, electrics, diesel heater, water heater, water pump, or do we start building furniture, put the shower in, box out the bed section, because we've still got to put a piece of wood in here to make the garage essentially, and then some sort of step to get up to the bed because it's pretty high. Oh, and also the wife has painted the ceiling. Woohoo! Yeah, so that's all done now. So yeah, if you've enjoyed this one, hit that like button, Comment and let me know what you think I should do next, and then hit the subscribe. See you in the next video. Cheers.